Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change your background to a photo on your TikTok videos. Changing background on a video is a technique called green screen. This effect removes everything which is around you and replaces it with a photo or a video. For this video, I'll show you how to change the background to a photo. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus to post a video, tap on effects, then tap on the search icon, search for green screen. Tap on the green screen icon, which is green with a photo pointing downwards. Now select a photo from your photo library. You can also select a GIF by tapping on the GIF tab. Once you've selected a photo, you'll see the background, which will be replaced by the photo you have selected. Now, using your finger, you can resize and move yourself anywhere on the screen. Now, go ahead and record your TikTok video using the green screen effect. And that is how to change your background to a photo on your TikTok videos. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button. And most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.